You are going to love the 2024 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads, sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cargo net, cargo tray, cargo mat, carpeted floor mats. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.